Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back with us. Okay, in this occasion, we have an opportunity to explore the Sibolga city. What are the tourist attractions in Sibolga? Okay, let's join us to exploring together. Okay, here we go. Sibolga is one of the cities in Tapsel that has a natural beauty and sea and beaches that contain a million charms for every eyes that looks. Apart from the beauty of the beaches in Sibolga, also okay, now we are in the Sibolga Square, and we want to go to the Tangga 100 Sibolga.
Jepang tangga 100 in Sibolga.
Okay, this cave was used by Japanese army as a spying hole. Japanese soldiers do not have any problem about the dangerous risks.
Then they would immediately report it to the top of the hill inside the cave made by the Japanese army. There is one entrance and two lines inside which are in the shape of the letter seperti berbentuk V. Okay, namanya just probably 9 months of the cave. All of them are touched to be included with its order. Thank you.
Udah apa Pak? 1, 2, 3. In fact, it's very possible too. The cave has a room in it. Whether it's restroom, living room, kitchen room, and installation room, and other.
have to lunch. There's a park, and that you can enjoy with your family and your friends. Okay, and now we wanna eat in this place. We want to taste the culinary in the Guajepang. This cave was used by the Japanese army as a spying hole. If a Japanese soldier don't have to worry about the dangers or risks, then they would immediately report into the top of the hill. Inside the cave made by Japanese army, there is one entrance and two lines inside which are the shape of the letters Y. This cave still has a mystery and very unique. To get into the mouth of the Goa, it takes the strong adrenalines. The Sibolga. Okay, next trip we will go to the Kota Ikan Sibolga or Pelabuhan. In the past, this place was the port of Sibolga as the name is suggests, but over time it turned into the warehouse site. And now this part become one of the object tourist attractions such as entertainment venues, culinary, snack. Okay, next trip we wanna go to the Batu Gajah.
You can see there are a beach.
Okay friends, now you can see Batu Gajah. Tiga.
Yes, man. This is a beach from in Tapanuli has its own uniqueness. If the sea sun beach here, there is 11. It's not real and has clean water. Been located in Hajoran, North Sumatra Utara. Yes, this is from me.
Here, if you look at the elephant's head, it if it was looking draw was drink seperti minum.
Beach is still includes in the bay area. So the beach is not too deep. However, if there is a wave, you have to be careful. The Batu Gajah part is still includes in the subtidal or tidal area. At low tide, tourists can enter there if you have sailing the water up to your shoulder.
In this beach, you can see the beach. It's beautiful and clean. And if you want to see Batu Gajah, you can see from tower. So you can see the view. And if you go to there with your family, you can sit in gazebo. It's fee 100,000 and the big place, and the small place is 50,000.
Okay, in this beach you can see you can basking in the sun, and then you can waves of the water, and then if you want to get wet you can around with this boat.
Action.
Swimming the waves, it is the one of the tourist activities. And then this beach was out every morning, and residents saw through the trash place. The best time for enjoy with your family, with your friends, or the other.